In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily fix Gmail app not receiving emails on your Android. So first of all, open up the Gmail app on your phone. Now, there are some things that you'll have to make sure that you are not doing them. The first thing is that tap on the top left corner of the screen on those three lines. And first of all, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into the right Gmail because you may have multiple Gmails in your account. Now, the second thing is that make sure that you have selected the right mail. Like there are a lot of mails like primary, promotion, socials. Make sure you have selected the right one, and or you can simply tap on all inboxes on the top to like view all Gmails and then try refreshing it to like see the basically the mail that you're looking for. And the last thing you can do is to go back and go to the settings of your phone and then go to like apps and then Gmails and then tap on notifications and make sure that notifications are not turned off, they are turned on, so you'll be able to receive all the new Gmails mails on the Gmail app. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.